Good morning.
What is this, Leo? It's 4 o'clock in the morning. That's the time, right? Even if you're drunk, you won't forget to keep alarm.
Duty is duty. Then it's considered crucial work, right?
That's the problem of boys. You won't see the mood of girls. They only mind their business. Even after having a child, you want to still play the game.
Listen to me. We have only one precious life in this world. So we need to enjoy it, right? Hey, come here. What happened?
Cha, bad breath. Smelling as like still drunk.
Oh, forget this area. You need to focus on the rest of the parts. Okay, I'll go rinse my mouth.
Leave it, it's enough now. After this, I have to sleep. I'm very sleepy.
Do you think this is work schedule? I don't want to waste the time. Come.
One more thing. We should for sure go today.
Where?
Supreme Hall.
Oh,
Today is the last day of exhibition. There is 50% discounts on items sold there.
hey, they are only offering 50% discount, but I'm offering you 100% discount. Lay back. I'll give you full discount.
What are you doing?
Look at the situation of the girl who only consumes vegetables.
Don't make fun of me. There is nothing wrong in my village. Pure vegetarians. Our daughter won't eat anything without eggs, you know, right?
Everything came from you only, no?
That is actually called real communal harmony. From the last 5 years, we have no problem. Have I not fulfilled all your wishes? Have taken really good care of you.
Ah. Only because I am also working, no? Otherwise, we should have seen. We need extra money for your drinks.
Good morning, my little angel. My pinky sweet.
Good morning only for daddy, not for mom.
Tell.
Oh, okay. Dad and daughter, go and get ready. Mom has to go to office.
That is also correct. Come.
What happened?
Even I have no clue. Cha. Wire. Can you take auto today?
This is not the first time. What's happening, Leo? How much time should I tell you? Buy new car.
Someone should
Che.
purchase it right. Even I'm in a lot of confusion. I don't know
Oh,
which one I should be
no.
buying. Every week new vehicle comes out. Do you prefer diesel or petrol? If petrol increases, diesel decreases. If diesel increases, petrol decreases. It's really hard for me to make a choice. Listen to me. Should I buy a BMW or an Audi car? Guys on the way from
Do
the
whatever
workshop.
you want.
This auto is only proper for you. Cha. When is he going to come?
No. I can't accept this. 1 second. Date of application 2nd May 2020. Is it okay? You know, now this is October. If that is the case, why isn't the paper even moved an inch? It's all right now. It's okay, dude. Make sure you send it fast. Good morning, sir. Yes, good morning. Sir. Yes, Hari Krishna. At 2:30 p.m., Torch MD would come. He would stay in Taj Hotel. You have to go and meet him directly and discuss about cost variation completely, okay? Sir, actually, Leo is the only person who knows about it. Where the hell is that person? Do you know what time it is now? If we depend on him, we are doomed. He thinks everyone are fool around him.
Is that inside?
It's not today this is happening. Daily it's the same routine from him. Let him come today. I'll teach him a lesson. See, sir has
I'm
arrived.
sorry, sir. I'm late by a few minutes. While coming, there was some problem.
What do you mean? For all of us, a day means only 24 hours. But for you, it's 34 hours, right?
No, sir. While coming, the vehicle problem.
No. The vehicle is under repair. The fair is going on. There was huge traffic.
No, sir. While driving the car on the way, the dog came in between, and I did not know where to go, sir. That was a problem, sir. I think the dog actually escaped from a circus. I've seen this kind of stunts in different countries, but in our country,
Can you please stop it now? You do me a favor now. Hand over the torch files to Hari and you leave. Let's Hari meet the MD.
Okay, sir.
Sir, actually, Leo is the one who proposed that deal. How can I? Is there any problem attending there? Actually, nothing like that, sir. Then do it. Definitely, sir. Leo, don't take me wrong, man. You might definitely think like that because when you came, I was in the sir's room.
Hey, I really don't have a bad opinion about you, brother. Sir has bad opinions about me. There's a reason for it. Jealousy. Do you know why? That is because I reside in a flat that is bigger than his flat. You also know, right? After marriage, both the families did not accept our relationship. Ego issues. Even though the rent is a bit more, we are living there with dignity. I consider it as fortune because we got a good flat because of Sandra's recommendation. She looks after us. I really can't help it when he chooses to live in a small flat, brother.
Even that is the case, as I was interpreted, don't take me wrong, man.
Shay, no, brother, don't say like that. Delhi branch statements, manual copies, February. You need to clear your doubts.
Yes, sir.
Abhi, what file is that?
Delhi branch.
Oh, thank God we escaped. If we didn't find this file, we would have gone.
That's my luck.
Abhi, after you see this, give me also. Did you come in auto today? What happened?
Car was broke down.
You told me that you're booking a new car, no?
Yes, I have done.
Which car?
Etios lever.
Oh, same as my car. I like that very much. It's very comfortable. But my husband doesn't like that much. To be frank, we bought that car 3 months back only. After my marriage, we have bought 5 vehicles. In that, 3 cars are in front of my house. We have booked 1 more car also now. That it's come recently to the market. BB only. Hello? Hello? I thought of calling you.
Come, ma'am. Do you like it?
Okay. This color is good for me, right?
I was about to say the same thing, ma'am. This color is in demand right now, ma'am.
Whoever chooses this, they tell this is lucky color.
Not just that, there's an added advantage also. If you purchase it within 31st, you'll be saving 20,000, ma'am.
After that,
Sorry, madam. Only till then the offer is valid. What are you thinking?
Madam actually liked this vehicle. She was asking me about the delivery update, sir.
The offer is going on, madam. Okay. In the next month, during the first week itself, make sure you plan it. We don't know offer is valid till then. Even if it is not, we will plan it.
I will think about it.
Definitely, madam.
Please go and park the vehicle.
Okay, madam.
Abhirami, how are you?
Fine.
Did you come from office early?
Not too early. Same time.
Oh, how lucky. Morning 10 to 5 only job. And then my new serial is getting telecast today. If possible, watch it. If all watch, TRP will increase. Please watch, okay? Today 8 o'clock. Don't forget. Okay.
Here is your key, madam.
Okay then, bye. See you.
It stayed.
Mummy.
You go. I will come. Homework, right? Try to do it yourself. Meanwhile, mummy will bring coffee. If I going to wash this, my hand will be dirty. If I going to climb servant, that also will cost 12,000.
Sorry, dear. It slipped out of my mind about the sari.
Oh, that's not a new thing for me. I called you for another thing.
What?
If you want to eat dinner, you must buy something.
Then you're not going to cook today?
I will not cook. Pinky have exam tomorrow.
Dear, she's in UKG right now. You don't have to be worried about it.
She studied UKG. She must study.
Okay, what do you want?
You got any kind of food.
What do you want?
Then you must buy 4 or 5 packets of gloves. If medical shop is there, buy 3 packets of Carefree.
What are you saying, dear? Should I also bring that too?
Oh, I forgot. What is your problem for bring that?
Hey, I'm not saying it as a problem. In that case, there's going to be a problem in the future for us.
Sir, is there any problem?
Yeah, it's a problem, but I really don't have a solution to it. This guy tries to poke his nose all the time.
Ah.
Do you want chicken? Take it. Have it. Why don't you take a plate, dear?
I don't want to wash that again.
Hmm.
Because of washing dishes, my hand is full of dirty. Before that, why you came late? While coming, you went to Bara. You don't have any problem for that. I told you many times buy me a sari. You don't remember that.
Hey, there was some problem in the vehicle, right? I paid 3,000 for it. ATM zero balance. Credit card limit is also exceeded.
Then how you drink? This type of reasons I don't want. Before the marriage, you are not like this. That time you're ready to buy me anything. After the pregnancy, am I not beautiful? Oh, don't laugh. I know.
Are you feeling insecure?
Yeah, you're right.
What, baby? You're incessantly fighting with me.
You are the one who started.
Okay, fine. I only started. Are you happy? Come, daughter.
Oh, I know what you think. Today you don't have any luck, right? That's why this much attitude. I just joked about that.
Uh-huh.
True.
Why are you laughing right now? This generation children should not be trusted.
What?
I'm actually verifying the house's details right now.
Can we sell that place?
We have just given the advance for it. There's 3 months remaining for registration process. I'm not getting one idea too. Do you want to contribute something?
Oh, I didn't mean that. Can we get that advance back? Then we can buy another place? I don't like that plan.
This itself is a big task, you know. And you're actually expecting a big villa right now. At this situation, I can't even afford the flat rent. And I was looking for something else. For that, I need your approval also. Unwanted things, expenses, everything should be cross-checked. Why do we have to purchase unnecessary things?
Then why you are drinking?
You have a big dream to purchase a luxurious villa, right? That is really impossible. Instead of that, you have the best of the best husband.
Oh, Leo, that's not the problem. We want money. We want to make more money. Before our marriage, you have lot of friends, right? They are in UK. They are your classmate. If you try, you can also do that. I'm saying about that.
Listen to me, everyone can't do that, okay?
Okay, I'm not telling anything.
Come to the reality. We are all lucky people. There are many people in this world who doesn't even have a house to take a shelter.
I don't want to hear your philosophy.
Sorry, if you don't want the philosophy, I won't talk. For me, biology is okay. Ah.
Dear parents, today we have assembled here our schools, sports multiplex, prestigious projects. Second discussion is going on here. Before this, there was a Parent Teachers Association's white meeting. We presented this matter and now we want to know parents' response about this. That's why this division-wise meeting. The meeting for class 1 through higher secondary has concluded. We received a great response from the parents. We expect the same level of support from you, the parents of LKG and UKG students. This project requires a huge amount. So your complete cooperation is very crucial right now. I would like to remind you once again that even if your contribution amount is received without interest, it will be fully refunded to you when your child passes out or leaves this school. I'll call out the student's name. Parents can say their offer. Adarsh Mohan,
2 lakhs.
Ojeles Menon, 2.4 lakhs. Sania Matthew,
2.5 lakhs.
Mithun Vijay, 2.5. Priyanka Leo John,
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs.
Sorry, not 3 lakhs. 50,000.
Oh,
I don't think this is a good deal, man. What do you say about it?
What
I
is she
think
even
they've
thinking
actually
about?
cheated.
Yeah.
Is it some sort of a joke?
Cheated, man.
3 lakhs. Who is going to court next?
5 lakhs. 2 lakhs. 4 lakhs.
Even though before this kind of commitment, you should have called me, right?
Then why you didn't came for the meeting?
If you say 50,000, how can I do it?
Below that offering, shame for us, Leo. Some people are saying like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh.
They're doing it because it's possible for them. Because they have a lot of money, they can do it. But for us, it is not the same thing. I did think about it, but I did not understand. Do you have any other ideas?
I only have salary, don't have incentives.
I should have simply married a very rich girl. She would have given me money whenever I wanted.
This for our child, you must arrange it. They are reputed school. These things are usual. Otherwise, you can do one thing. You must change the school of her. We only have one daughter. Arrange it, Leo.
That is not my problem. You should only agree. 30 rupees. I'll give it myself. Do you have 10 rupees? 1 rupee tip.
Che.
Leo, please come. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Where is Abhirami?
She's at home. I came here from the office. I did not go to my place.
What do you want to drink, Leo?
No, I don't want anything. Can I actually talk to you, Sandra?
What, Leo?
I don't know how to start the conversation, but I don't have any other option.
It's okay, tell.
I actually need 50,000 rupees. I should be receiving some incentives from the company. I'll return it as soon as I get it.
To tell this, you're so shy, huh? Whatever it is, we have grown up together, right? We studied in same school. I'll give. But what is the urgency?
It was actually for my daughter's school's.
Oh. 1 minute. You know what? I don't have cash. I'll give you check, you withdraw.
Thank you.
Oh, it's okay.
I'll take a leave.
Good night.
Today you come early? What? Today you don't have tension?
What have you applied to your face? First go and wash your face. I really don't like such things, okay?
I'm just looking like a lady devil, right? For you, this face is better.
Is Pinky sleeping right now?
She already slept because of headache. She didn't study. Any update for Cash?
I was about to ask you the same thing. Did you ask anyone at the office?
I didn't ask. It's not good.
What happened?
Don't hide from me. I know you have cash.
I did not get any cash, but I got the check.
What is this, Leo? This is too much. Cheh, how I will face her again?
What's wrong in that? It was for the emergency.
What is the importance? Who is she? Who told you to get money from her? You just asked. She given the check. You're not her husband.
Why are you talking unnecessarily? I asked her for help and she helped us. I really don't want you to use such words.
Why you have soft corner? We don't want her money.
This is not donation and we need to pay her back.
Anyway, we don't want any relationship with her. You must give it back.
But how can I do that, dear? What would she think?
I don't want any reason. Okay, I will give it back.
What's wrong with her?
Hi. What, Abhirami? Come inside.
I am sorry. I have work in kitchen.
What happened?
I came for give this check back. Leo didn't know. We already arranged the cash.
Oh. It's okay, it's okay. I don't need it right now. You can give me later.
Oh no, Sandra. Sorry. Can I leave?
Ah.
'Sandra, you told me to meet you urgently.
Hey, there is nothing to get tensed. Yesterday, the check I gave you, night Abhirami came and returned it.
That she actually had cash with her.
I know you won't come and ask me if there is no urgency. Your wife didn't like that I
No,
gave
nothing
you.
like that, Sandra.
Hey, it's okay. I have bought cash. You couldn't have told your wife, right? You have a problem and how can I be quiet? You know what? Once even I have suffered a lot.
No, I actually don't want it. I look for a different way.
Why? You're scared of your wife, huh? I'm telling you, no. Don't tell all this to Abhirami. I know very nicely what a girl thinks. You know even I am a girl, right? Will I not understand? Take it. Please take. Okay, then I'll leave.
Huh.
5.3% of 80 lakhs,
Hmm.
5.3% of 43 lakhs.
That is okay. In September 2020, it's 1.3C. What is that?
There's a problem in that. We have to verify the new rules of RBI.
Oh. Hello, Leo speaking. Who is this? Sir, I'm speaking from Toyota Motors. Sales Executive Rajiv, sir. Yes. What is the matter? Your wife was here to purchase vehicle, sir. That offer is going to be expired tomorrow, sir. Who actually gave you my number? 1 minute, sir. Abhirami Madam is your wife only, sir. Yes. Madam only told me to call you, sir. If you want to know the details, are you... No. I don't want it now. This is your number only, right? I'll give me some time. I'll think about it and call. Okay, sir.
Who's that?
No. This is a different case.
Okay, then Leo, make sure you sort all this.
Yes.
After that, we'll think of working this out. Don't forget about my anniversary party.
Definitely. I'll be there on right time.
Okay.
Even I have no clue, so I'm asking you. What's wrong with you?
What, Leo? What problem is there?
There's no mistake, but you need to let me know.
Can I ask you something? Buying a new car like this, it is not a big deal today.
But you know, right, this is actually going to be impossible.
I know that. I just went and asked about that car. Why you are shouting like this? Their showroom. People will go and ask. Can you please understand, Leo?
Listen to me, dear. Don't be frustrated at me. As of now, it's impossible.
Leo, you underestimate yourself. Be practical.
I've told you everything. Daughter is here.
Oh God. Are you safe? Anything happened? Get up. Oh my God.
Hey, what happened? What happened? Is she fine? Is it okay for her? Are you being hurt?
No problem.
Something happened to your leg.
It's okay.
You have been very lucky because sir pressed the brake at the right time.
Thank God. Nothing happened. We must go to the hospital.
Yes, we have to take her to the hospital.
Don't worry.
There is no confusion needed.
Whatever
We
he's
must
saying
go
is
and
right.
check.
Get into the vehicle.
Come.
Sir, your name?
Madhav Das.
Can you get me a number?
69847532.
Are you my
Come,
carry bag?
Please leave soon now.
Come,
If you
come.
go straight, there is a hospital.
Abhirami. Nice name. Are you working?
I'm working in ITS.
Oh, very good.
Please, I don't want to go hospital. I doesn't have even any scratch.
What if problem persists? I must get rid of this tension.
No, nothing will happen. Can I leave here?
Are you sure?
Mm.
What is this?
Sorry.
Show it to me. How can you wear this? We can buy another one.
Ayo, no need.
Abhirami, you don't have to see me as a stranger. I was in a hurry. I was little bit overspeed. To be frank, if there is my mistake, nobody has to get hurt from it. That is what I think. It happened. Good.
Welcome, sir. You
Hello.
want the sari, right? It's over there. Show him the sari.
Yeah. Take that one. Oh. Nice. Take that saree, that one. Yeah, that one.
Do you want this? Sir, this is the trending stuff now, sir. And even this color is good.
Abhirami? How is this? Very nice. Do you like it?
I like it, but it's too costly.
This is little costly, madam.
Oh, costly means 1 lakh? 2 lakh?
Just 15.
Oh, okay.
Sir, I don't want it. It's too much.
Oh, please. Abhirami, you liked it, right? You have it.
Ayo, don't need, sir.
Why? Tell me why. Please, no formalities. If you like something, don't bother about price and other things, okay? Thank you. Please pack
okay,
it.
sir.
Abhirami, are you married?
Yes, sir.
Husband?
He's working in a private institution.
Do you have fear? You didn't say about his company.
Ayo, don't like that.
Yeah, that's the matter. I can understand. Kids?
Only one daughter, UKG.
That's a lie.
Ayo, it's true. God promise.
You're too young. It's my compliment.
Thank you, sir.
Abhirami, which perfume do you use?
I Sparrow.
Oh, I know. Do you have craze for perfumes?
Mm,
Suppose a police constable asks you, what will you say? Did we go to hospital or not?
can I say we gone?
Won't that be a lie? Okay. There is nothing wrong in that. We don't say the ugly truth, is it?
Sir, I will leave here only.
Here.
If I leave here, it's easy for me.
Oh.
Thank you, sir.
This is my card. Abhirami, your cell number.
I will call you.
Okay.
I have already mentioned it. You don't need to say it again. Get along. Get along.
Hey, Pinky! What is this, mom?
Are you here? How beautiful. Abhirami, where did you buy this?
Kalyan sarees.
Show me, let me see.
Oh, how much is this? 15,000.
15,000.
Our is it? Is
It's
it good?
nice only, but Hari won't buy you like this sarees, no. One saree you'll wear for one function, after that you'll not wear, no. You're so lucky. Hey, it's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Border is so cute. Whatever it is, Abhirami, whatever you wear, you're so beautiful. It's superb, yeah. Why won't it be superb? Who is wearing this? Friends, come, we'll go and have. Waiting for you, come, no?
Bro, where is alcohol?
Hey, it's been arranged over there, man.
It's already time, man. Let's start
But there
it.
is one hack. While you'll be returning, they'll be checking. So in order to drop you back home, I have arranged Rajesh.
Very
vehicle.
good. In that case, we'll drink more. What do you say?
Mm.
Huh? Only 2 rounds. Only 2 rounds. That's it. It's already time,
Yeah,
man.
let's go.
go.
Did you see the saree which Abhirami wore? It was very pretty, no?
Yeah, that's okay.
It was not okay. It was very beautiful. 15,000. Learn from Leo, okay? Husband should be like that.
Hmm. Hey, she's also earning. She's not like us.
Oh, not like that and all. You should have a good heart for
Oh,
that.
It's fine. You'll be happy if I get something like that, right?
Oh, as if you'll buy for me.
Hey, please stop blabbering, dear.
Is Pinky sleeping?
Mm.
What is all this commotion, dear? Come have a look at this one.
How is it looks?
It's actually looking pretty only.
Not that. Now you say. Is it good?
Yeah, it's looking good only.
Oh, okay. Did you know how much it will cost?
Maybe around 6,000, I think.
Just say a price.
800,000, 3,000, 4,000, 6,000 rupees.
Sure?
Hmm.
You will not change rate?
Hey, confirm.
Then you listen. 3,500.
3,500 only. I think it's a great deal.
I know that. This is my bargaining skill.
I really hope this kind of bargaining would be allowed in the bar also.
You didn't give any compliment for me a long time. Did you know that? I'm very happy. What I want to give you back for this compliment?
What is there to give?
Don't want anything? Anything?
At a time, only on job.
What?
When I focus on one thing, I can't focus on another thing.
Mm.
Hmm.
Mm.
Uh, uh.
Morning it came in courier. What is it?
I don't know.
Hmm. What, yeah? Any bomb has come, huh? Open and see.
Hey, this is a gift from Leo friend. It's for Leo.
Whatever it is, open and see, no?
Simply, go now.
Huh, tell me.
Yes.
Madhav Das.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
I just sent you a small gift.
Got it. But that not necessary.
Oh, it's okay.
Thank you, sir.
People who like perfume, I also like them. Abhirami, your perfume smell. That perfume smell is still there in car. Even after Abhirami left.
Ayyo.
Did you like it?
Mm.
You will like it. Because I know what is your taste. We met only a few days before. Okay. Will you call me back? Abhirami, whatever problem comes, whatever the problem might be, you can call me.
Today also you drunk.
Only 2 pegs. There was a party at the office.
Other than any other excuses?
Hey, don't raise a gun on such petty issues. But that is not a problem right now. Next month you need to register the property.
I already told you, Leo. You must get back that advance.
The money that we gave, they actually spent it on their daughter's engagement.
Oh, then what we will do?
That is only confusion. We need to arrange the cash.
How?
I think we should actually rob a bank.
Don't joke.
Then what else can we do? Come, leave it.
You didn't finish it?
I think I'll be doing this work till morning, okay, dear?
Mm.
What is this perfume, dear?
How is it? Good, right?
Amazing, something special. Well, let me look. It has a good shape just like you. Costly. This is only your problem.
I didn't buy it. It's a gift.
Who gave it?
Leo, you know Neetu, right? Her brother purchased this from Gulf.
Lie.
No, it's true.
Hey, I know that you're trying to convince me, okay? Why don't you look me in the face? You gave money for this one, right? How much did you give? 2,000?
Not 2,000. 1,000 only. Mm. How is it smells? Is it good?
I know your smell from the last 5 years. Is this something new for me?
Mm. Stop this. Can we sleep? I'm getting sleepy.
Why don't you sleep?
Then you?
I want to finish all these things. Then only I can sleep.
Okay, I'm going to sleep. And then, don't forget to keep the alarm.
Good night.
Madam, phone.
Hello.
Good evening.
Yes, sir.
What happened? There is something wrong with your voice.
No, I'm at beauty parlor.
Do you want to become more beautiful? Then what about boys' heartbeats?
Why did you call, sir?
Did this call disturb you?
Nothing like that.
Then what else?
Sir, not that. I have put face pack.
Oh, sorry. Okay, call me back when you're free. Okay,
Okay, sir. I'll call you back.
bye.
Mummy, phone. Who is that, Mummy? Is it
No.
Daddy?
Why you need all this?
Hmm.
Hello.
Abhirami, you didn't call.
Oh, sorry, sir. After coming home, I had some other work.
Okay.
What happened, sir?
I had to listen to your sweet voice.
Oh,
Oh, I couldn't understand this working woman's. Full day office. After that, husband. Later, kid. One set of boring routine.
that is a part of my life. All are like this.
Yes. But the case of Abhirami, to work in a boring corporate office, do you need so much of beauty? It is not a joke, serious. Abhirami, why didn't you try working in media?
Sir is talking about.
Yes, cinema, serials, modeling. Can I say you something? You are so sweet. Like a modern girl.
Oh, thank you.
You can try on that.
I never thought about that.
You want to?
I like it, but I don't know if I like it.
So what? Abhirami, you have a choice, don't waste it. It's too bad. After getting married, your dreams, your ambitions, why do you want to throw it away? Isn't a foolish thinking? That too in these modern days.
Maybe, but. Sir, are you married?
If I am, I will lose my love for her.
What are you saying about, sir?
Everything. Wherever the beauty is. Why are you laughing?
Sir, you talk so well.
The person who I liked.
Oh, thank you.
I already told you. You're so sweet. Words, behavior, everything. Abhirami, I'm giving an offer for you. If you don't mind, you can be a model of my jewelry. Are you interested?
Ayo, sir. Please, don't joke.
As soon as I saw you, this concept came into my mind. I just want to see you with a lot of gold. You don't have any gold on you, Abhirami, because you are a traffic stopper. You didn't reply for that.
Sir, I will.
I'm not forcing you. Think about it, okay?
Mm.
Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
How do I look? Am I very beautiful?
Not that much.
You're always like this.
What did you ask me? You asked me if you're beautiful, right? Beautiful means something which is precious. Did you understand my point?
You will not understand.
I can't say if it's a right thing, but I fell for you.
Do I look like a model?
What is that? Like the model who appears in the Piles advertisement. Like that, right? Like that only.
Hey, don't joke. It's serious.
Are you interested in modeling or what?
Not like that. If I get offering from modeling, what is your opinion? Do you like it?
Do you like it?
For me, I don't have any problem. Then it's like extra earning, right?
What happened? Are there any offers?
Didn't come. If come,
Get such offers. Let us think about it. Right now I'm sleepy. Let me sleep, please.
Tata, bye,
bye.
mommy. Bye.
Mm,
Sir.
Hmm?
Phone.
Hi. Good morning, Abhirami. Is anything wrong?
I want to talk about that offer, sir. About modeling.
Yes, yes. Are you okay?
I just want to try.
Very, very good thinking. Abhirami, you are practical.
Not like that. Sir, you say it like that.
I didn't convince you. Abhirami's heart convinced it. Anyway, I want to see you.
Okay, sir. Where I want to come?
Today, are you not going to office?
I can take leave, sir.
Then do me a favor. You will get a call from my assistant, Margaret. She is my PA. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Please come, ma'am. Please come. Sir?
Hearty welcome to you, Abhirami.
Thank you,
Have
sir.
a seat. Abhirami, what do you drink?
Don't want anything, sir.
Maggie?
Mm.
I didn't introduce her. She's a good photographer.
Huh. She already told.
Abhirami, what about your husband?
He went to Trivandrum.
Does he know anything? Do you have his permission?
I didn't say, but one thing, Leo, he's not against this.
Hmm. Abhirami, are you a feminist?
What, sir?
No, are you into female rights? Please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Abhirami, do you like music?
Yes, sir. I have learned classical dance.
Oh, very good.
Sir, are you playing Mehdi Hassan?
Oh, programs?
No. After my marriage.
Suffering, isn't it? Classical dance, Hindustani music, perfumes. Aren't we liking same things? Did you see a lot of dreams?
A lot.
What's that?
Most of the time, I will be a princess. And then the aeroplane. And you know, another time, I was actually walking on the sea.
Everything have a psychedelic effect, right? I like it. Then, Abhirami, you like what kind of dresses? I mean clothes.
Usually, sari, chudidar.
Modern outfits.
I'll wear jeans, t-shirts, 3/4 shorts, everything. And then,
Any type of short dresses suits you. Because you have a beautiful structure.
ayo,
If God gave beautiful things to us, we must enjoy it. That's my philosophy. What about yours? Okay. Abhirami, your costumes are ready now. You can try it. Maggie will help you. Right. Try it. Go now. Let me see. Abhirami's appearance.
okay, sir.
Abhirami, what are you thinking? Are you thinking you made a mistake in life? When a man and female meet, physical relationship will happen. But there also a man is there. Can you believe all this? Abhirami, your husband, he didn't share bed with another girl? All this is just a trust. We are the prisoners of social concept and morality. In this world, a female's virginity is bigger than a nuclear bomb. A man's selfishness. Females grow up like that only. Virginity. What a foolish word.
I'm not feeling well.
Hey, cool down.
How I will face my Leo? We actually share everything in our life. But this one,
Then why don't you reveal that? Then we can see your husband's real face. Then he won't be your husband at all. He'll just be a man. Go and do that nonsense. Won't you get down? Give this to your daughter. Take it. Take it. Mm. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, mommy. Mommy. I chocolate.
don't eat that. It's not good. It's bad.
Mummy, you're simply telling it is spoiled, no?
Who are you? I am not understanding you. From here, I will be with you. You don't want to worry about anything.
Hello. Oh, why didn't you call me? I tried calling you, but
My
it was
phone
switched
doesn't
off.
have charge. I didn't check.
What happened?
I have heavy headache.
Did you take any tablets?
No, it will go. Leo, did you eat anything? Bread is there.
I'm not hungry. I need to take a shower. My sweet daughter was asking for this chocolate from a really long time. How is your headache right now?
Not that much.
I don't think that's the reason. Something else is bothering you.
Hey, nothing is there. Why you think like that?
Nothing. I thought about it. Why we fell in love. Why we got married, isn't it? It's because of my inferiority, your dreams, and your ambitions. I failed at fulfilling your wishes.
Why are you thinking like that?
I have something in my mind. I think both of us should go on a vacation. Let us escape from this boring day-to-day routine. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Mumbai. Choice is yours. What do you say?
No, Leo. We can go some another time.
Why are you saying like this, dear? Everything is decided by you, right?
That's true. But not this time.
As you wish. What are you thinking about?
Can I ask you one thing? Leo, do you trust me? Leo, you think I'm not hiding anything from you, right?
What do you think you can hide? Everything is impossible for you.
I can. I done a huge mistake, Leo. The cost of that saree, not 3,500. That one.
Hey, mad girl. You're a silly girl because you think that I'm not aware about this. I think that saree would be somewhere between 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. At that moment only I knew that you were lying. You lied to me because you did not want to lie to me.
I couldn't share that one thing.
Cool down, dear. I really don't want you to get frustrated at such trivial issues. I know that you're really bad at hiding things away from me. Think about it, dear. We have a sweet daughter. Be happy.
Abhi,
Mm.
I completely verified it. Can we see this tomorrow? Today I'm leaving little early. I'm going to dinner with Bibi.
Abhirami, how are you?
Fine.
What happened? There is no energy in voice.
Hey, nothing like that.
Then what?
Sorry, sir. Don't call me again.
Abhirami. Abhirami, come on, Abhirami. Come into the car.
Sorry, I'm not interested. I don't know who are you.
What happened to you?
I don't know.
Okay, then come into the car.
No, I'm not coming.
Abhi, please. You don't have to come anywhere else. I am alone in the car, no. You can come. Why are you scared? Tell me. I'm not a lesbian, no? Come. What? Why have you changed so much?
I already told you. It's enough. I am a housewife. I have a daughter. I don't want to cheat my husband anymore.
Then what already happened that?
Mistake. I will not repeat anymore.
According to me, Abhirami, you're like a broken soul. Madhav sir shares all his experiences with me. Am I right?
I don't want to blame. Yeah, it is true. He satisfied my sexual fantasies, right? Just a glimpse of his look. Any girl will fall for him. A true gentleman. But he is not my husband. He was a good friend of mine. But I hate him. Please, don't force me.
If you say you don't want Madhav sir, I think it's just like a business loss. You know, if you want anything, there is a sky beyond you. What else? Are you thinking about your body? Tomorrow this will go inside a land. Few days it will be like this. After that, there will be a feeling like as if we lost. You will not feel guilty anymore.
Please, I don't want any bargain. Again, don't force me. I have to go.
Abhi, stand there. I'll drop you. Abhi.
There is some difference in the amount, sir. It's our executive's problem, actually. We can sort it out, sir. I'll make sure it is not repeated. I'll deal it personally. Sir. Fine.
Excuse me? Did you call me, sir?
Why did I call you? You should have known by it now.
I don't know, sir.
Where do you keep your mind while you're working? Since last 3 years you have been sticking on here. What's your salary ratio? Do you have any idea? You are not an executive here to make losses. To generate profits, you are here. The higher authorities are pressurizing me.
Sir, please don't use such harsh words on me, sir. But I'm working very hard on this company's business, sir. Sir, please don't try to blame it on me. That is actually covering your fault. So, moreover, I'm a human being. I'm not some kind of animal. Do your job perfectly. In that case, only you can blame it on me.
Remember, I'm your senior officer. Don't try to give me wisdom, bastard.
Repeat the words one more time. I'm calling you sir right now. I really don't want you to play games with me, sir.
How dare you think? What do you want to say?
How dare you speak to me like that, you idiot?
You're suspended.
I don't care about the suspension. I'm going to give you my resignation letter. That is good for your health.
Get out of here.
Get a life, you cheapo.
You have arrived at your destination. Can you get down, sir?
No.
Sir, I don't have change for it. Please give me the exact amount.
You can keep the remaining change.
That is not possible, sir. No, sir, it won't be good. Please have it. Sir, no, sir,
Hey,
it won't be
keep
good.
it, man. Hey, you can
Sir,
keep
that is
it,
not
bro.
good, sir. That is not
keep
good.
it, dude. I
Sir,
really
that won't be
don't
good.
care about the
Sir, that
change,
Hey,
won't
what's
be
the
good.
problem, man?
He is giving me more money. I don't need this. That is my problem.
If someone doesn't give you proper money, then you create a problem. If someone gives also problem, huh? Take whatever you get and leave from here, man.
He doesn't know the value of money.
Whatever this sir is saying is absolutely correct. Good night. You go. Thank you, sir.
What is this, Leo?
Nothing. You don't worry about it. I drank a bit too much today. There was some sort of celebrations. Do you know how sincerely I was working with that old man? I don't think it's worthy of my sincerity. What do you think? Someone actually called me that. I don't think I can control it. But I actually think he said a bad word. Then I slapped him.
For whom?
My superior, manager.
What happened?
Hey, nothing happened. Before it happened, I walked away.
Leo, what are you saying?
Yes, I quit my job. I can't bear it. Him and his target. He won't live peacefully. Let him die.
You don't have to get tense. Leo's anger, he will react like that.
But actually, he should also understand our position. All these days, we were depending on him. His earnings was our main support. He knew that very well. But still,
It's okay. There will be a job somewhere else. I am telling you, no, you don't have to worry. Did you come? I will come. He came. Shall we go? Bibi, Abhirami.
Hi.
You also come in vehicle, we'll drop
no
you.
thanks. I will go by auto.
This is a new car. We just came here to purchase it. We'll take a leave.
Mm.
Yeah, tell man.
What happened? Any new updates?
Actually, Leo, if you are asking 20 lakhs suddenly, how can I arrange such a huge amount suddenly, man?
How much can you arrange?
Leo, I swear on God, the amount is in Sindhu's account. She's not even going to give me 1 paisa, man.
Bro, this is my last attempt, man. I don't think I can ask others apart from you, man.
I know, but actually, you need to know my position, right?
In that case, you're saying that you can't help me, bro. Okay. He's scared of his wife.
What are you doing, Leo?
What else should I do? You won't understand the pain I'm going through.
This is bad habit, Daddy.
Sorry.
Did you hear what she said?
Dear, please.
Go and change your dress. This came today? 35 lakhs, 15 days. Lawyer notice, huh?
You think you can translate it for me? I've actually gone through it.
You know this thing before. I actually want you to take that money back. Now what happened?
Don't talk rubbish to me, dear.
Then what should I say now? Do you even understand the situation? With that, you left your job also. We didn't even get back the property money. Then they sent notice also. It's kind of blaming.
Get lost, dear. Do you think I'm bothered about it? I don't care about it.
I am worried.
If you're worried about it, I don't care.
Hey, stop drinking.
How dare you?
Mummy?
Sir, can I get the bill?
Not that I'll tell you.
Oh. It's okay.
Tell me.
Where are you?
For what?
You're not coming?
I need some peace of mind.
Oh, so I am the problem here.
I'm not saying that, okay?
Then,
Dear, please leave me alone.
are you drinking again?
I'm not drinking, dear. I'm chilling. I'm enjoying the perks of being a drunkard in this life. Try to understand that, dear.
What are you doing, Leo?
I don't want to meet you. I want to drink right now.
Leo, it's not good.
That is written in the bottle also. Alcohol is injurious to life.
Huh. Leave that. About that lawyer notice, any idea you have?
I think I told you that time only. Get lost, don't talk to me.
You can say it easily. We have a daughter.
Hey, you know my father, right? Father can't watch me suffering in this life. Try to understand it. If I want that, I'll go directly to my father and ask. That is only option I have.
No. Because of our marriage, your family didn't talk with us till now.
Then, what do you want me to do, dear? Don't call me again and again and don't tense me up. I'm really irritated. I'm completely lost right now. I can't even think properly right now. I'm totally confused of it.
And today, what shall I tell to you? This big money, and that too in this short time. If it's a small amount, when Leo said he will ask money from his dad, why did you say no?
You know that, right? I already told about our past. Then again,
Then why don't you ask in your house?
they are also like that.
Then what am I advising to you? I told you purely. I can just help a little bit. Is that fine?
I'm leaving.
You're going without replying?
No need, Neetu. I will try.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
You thought I will not believe all this, no? That's why you told me to read, na?
No, nothing like that.
Then? Whatever happens, I don't know. I don't have this much money right now. I have only post-dated checks. And then, if I keep this and take some money, people will start asking what relationship we both have. Already you know what the society reacts. Yes, no? But you know, if I see a husband like you, I feel pity. But it is not love, you know. I had a chapter like that. Do you believe that even I had a boyfriend? But he saw a fake photo of me in the internet and left me alone. Now he is calling again and is asking sorry. I didn't decide anything. I am talking something and making you bored, right?
Yo.
This legal notice deadline will finish in 1 week, right? Don't delay. We will do something.
After registration, I'll take a loan as soon as possible.
There is a source like this. That's why I'm telling do something. Take this.
Okay, in that case, I'll take a leave, huh?
What are you doing in second floor?
I went there to meet Sandra.
For what?
Just like that. I'll go take a shower, huh?
Are you going for bath? Why now?
Do you think I'm making a mistake by taking a shower? Then I'm thinking of registration in the next week. You don't have to be worried about it. I've actually arranged the money also.
From where?
Why are you questioning me? I actually have people who looks after me. Good night. It's okay. Did you give any food to my sweet daughter?
No, I forgot.
Okay, don't disturb her. She's sleeping.
Leo, did you have anything?
There's nothing to eat at the dining table. Even you slept off. I just had a couple of drinks. That's it. Dear, won't you sleep today?
Hello.
It's me, Abhi.
What you've called this time?
Bipin came.
No, he will come tomorrow. What happened?
I want to talk to you about something serious.
What's the matter?
The thing was, I had asked for money, right? You just give 30 lakhs.
Me? When did I give?
You didn't give me. But you have to give. If anyone asks you, you just have to lie to them. Just for me.
Why are you talking like this? What happened to you now?
You just listen what I'm saying. Otherwise, I will lose my Leo.
I'm not understanding anything.
I will talk to you later. I told you something, right? About Sandra? Artist. She is my new question.
Okay. But that is not my doubt, you know. How are you getting the money?
Till now, I don't know. But that will happen. I'll keep.
Hello, Abhirami. You've come again?
I want to see sir.
Come. Abhirami, you want to sit here or?
I will sit here.
Okay.
Hi, Abhirami. Good morning.
Good
Sit down.
morning.
How are you? How is your husband and child?
Fine.
Anyway, I have realized how God is great and the world is round enough. Am I right? I know what you wanted to say. It's about our friendship, right? You're still thinking about it. Do you feel bad about me? I'm not harassing you. Okay, let's leave that. Abhirami, tell me something. Tell me about you. Any problems? I feel Abhirami is in tension. Come on. Speak about your problems. I will help you. Tell me.
I came with an expectation. I exactly don't know what will be the reaction. But I have one request. Sir should help me. Financially, I need a support. For a property, we have given advance. We postponed registration twice. If we don't pay, advance amount will go.
Cool down, Abhirami. Cool down. Cool down. Money. That's the problem. It's not a little thing. It is not easy to make money for everyone. But everyone wants money. Every day, every moment. If you don't have money, you are nothing. There is a proverb about it. There are problems for everyone. There is nothing bigger than money. There are a lot of proverbs about it. Abhirami, don't worry. Do you have trust in Madhav Das, right? Then why are you still crying, Abhirami? That is not a big deal for me. But Abhirami, I don't have a kind of feeling towards you. You said some wrong things to Maggie about me. I have lost interest in you. But still, you're my favorite one. I don't let my favorite people suffer. I don't like it also. Those things and all. I'll be handing over to someone. I am doing this since my childhood. Even if it is a toy, I don't leave it. It means I'm not expecting any outcome. It's a peace of mind for me. I hope Abhirami has understood this very well. I don't have much favorite people. Anyone can be my favorites right now. Or no one is going to be my favorite also. That is going to be my wish. But will you agree? I want a promise from Abhirami. That is the thing I wanted to ask. I am not going to force you. I am not a pimp to force you. Since my younger days, I have been doing these things. My mother cheated my father for so many other people. That is what I saw since childhood. Since then, it was a revenge for me. From that day onwards, my father starts changing. A lot of girls that always took over my mind. Those moments, my attitude towards women, I know about it. That is not a good thing. So that's why I didn't marry anyone. For my next generation, the pain I have suffered. But that is not the issue right now. That's you, Abhirami. Abhirami, if you agree for this, the things I'm going to give you after that, it's more than your imagination. What do you say?
I agree.
Then tomorrow we will see about it.
I'll come.
Ah, Abhirami, you are here. I know. Because the problem you are facing right now, I know. I know that. Not at all. In married life and all, there are a lot of secrets Abhirami is hiding in her heart. You know how to go with the flow, Abhirami. Tomorrow, even though if you end the relationship with me, you still know how to survive it. You're a good girl. You're not someone like who doesn't use their brain. I am expecting something right from you that I wanted to listen now. Yesterday, I just blabbered something. I don't give away my favorite things to anyone. I still keep it very safe in my locker rooms. I will take care of it. Abhirami, for all your problems, I don't want you to beg with another person. I don't want you to go. Abhirami, you know, even though if it is your husband, Abhirami, I want to adore your beauty and your body, even today. The very moment you came back here, I wanted more of you.
Your words are always pleasing. That is the great Madhav Das speciality. I have to forget all. A person like you, I just came for help. It's my mistake. I'm helpless. The day I met you, there were two Abhiramis inside me. In that one Abhirami, I killed. Now the Abhirami who is here, you can't provoke her.
Don't underestimate me. I am possessed by you. You can ask me whatever you want. Whatever.
I don't need your courtesy. I actually came to give you a gift back. This is your gift.
Abhirami, it's precious. You can't even imagine how much worth it is.
I don't want to dream anymore. Take it.
What a shame. This is the present given to you, Abhirami. It was a present for you. I am not such a cheap to receive it back.
It's not free, right? It's a gift from you for a physical relationship with you. Otherwise, your commission in a physical relationship. Men and women have equal responsibility. In a physical relationship, not men only enjoying. Women also enjoying men. In that case, I also used you. For that, it's a gift from me. Goodbye.
Abhirami! 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 Maggie, call her. Try to convince her.
What if she does anything wrong? Maggie, you must listen to me. Try calling her.
No need. Let her at least go from here.
She had destroyed me. Abhirami. Madhavadas' destruction has been done by a girl. It is just a girl. As a woman, she's great.
Don't give any hope. I don't need any hopes from you.
You are a fool!
If you wanted to come here, you could have brought a doctor too.
Do you remember this place?
Then, how can I forget it? Everything here is changed.
Yes.
Why did you ask me to come here? You wanted to remember the old days or what?
No. I want you to forget all these things.
Why are you speaking like this, dear?
We must separate. Divorce.
Dear? I'm not getting your point.
You will not understand anything. You can't. Do you remember? I asked you a question. Leo, do you trust me like that? Do you remember? I told everything to you. Do you believe that? You simply said you cannot do that. I told you finished. What you think in a good way only. It's a lie about that saree's price. After all, you didn't think about that. Your love. I thought it will go. So I also didn't tell. That's my selfishness. But from that day, I destroyed myself. At least now. I just want to say the truth to you, Leo. We must separate. Divorce. I want that. I'm loving you so much. I don't want to destroy that love. While we are together, it will never going to happen again.
Dear, what are you saying? What happened to you?
I said this much. You can't even imagine.
Dear, I'm not understanding it.
Leo, please understand. What I am saying is, you can imagine. Just understand my pain. I cheated on you.
You,
Yes. I cheated on you.
dear, why are you saying things like this? For me? A child? How can I leave it, my dear?
That's your love for me. The truth about me. If you hear from someone else, Leo, I can't even imagine that. You can give any punishment.
And the child will be with the first petitioner, father. In view of the circumstances, the petition is allowed and the divorce granted.
Can I leave? Pinky.
Mummy, when will you come?
I will come.